Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Soul Striker. Welcome back to another plugin tutorial. Today it's on the plugin WARPS GUI. This is a very nice plugin. Works great on 1.9 1.10. So first off, do /menu, and menu brings up a nice little GUI. Set warps, you can set homes, you can toggle magic watches. Magic watch, basically when a player first joins, there'll be a watch over here, sort of like a compass, and you can click it and it will bring up the menu. And then you have spawn as well, so you can close that menu. So go ahead and by default nothing is set, of course. So what you want to do, I'm going to set the spawn right here. So we're going to type in /set spawn, and as you see, spawn has been created with nice little titles and sound effects. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound effects or not, but it has sound effects, pretty cool. And then to teleport there, you just do /spawn, and nice little title again, as well as sound effects. So that is pretty cool. So I have built a little house over here. So to set your home, pretty simple. And there are permission nodes as well. Link will be down in the description for the plugin as always. And then there are permission nodes on the Spigot page, so you guys can go check that out to add perms for your users. But set home, do /set home, sort of like the essential set home. So set home, and then I'm going to call this base. So home has been created. So next, you're going to type /home, not /home, just /home, and then this shows where your base is, so you can teleport there, and we have teleported. So it's pretty cool, pretty cool. And then to set a warp, so I'm going to come out here, open the doors, there we go, we can open the doors, and then say you have like a PvP warp that you want on top of the trees, alright? So you're going to set warp, and then the name, of course, I'm going to call this PvP, and then this brings up a little icon that you can use, which is pretty cool for the warps. And I want to use a diamond sword, but on the little icons there's no diamond sword, so you can also change this in the config, but for right now I'm going to set it as a diamond. Alright, so we're going to set that as a diamond, and then you can remove the warp with /remove warp, and then of course the name, and then we can remove PvP. So if we do /warp, nothing in there, so I'm going to reset it. I'm going to reset the warp PvP, and then we're going to put a diamond over there. So it's pretty cool, pretty cool. So you can set up to 54 homes depending on what perms you give your players and whatnot. So that's pretty much everything in game, so let's hop into the config. Alright, so here we are at the config. Most of the stuff is pretty self-explanatory, so you can change the messages. Make sure to copy and paste this color code. It's not the same as the and whatever, so this config is a little different. Make sure you copy this color code right here, and you can change the color codes with that. And then as you see, just pretty much all this is self-explanatory. Just read through if you want to change the signs or whatnot. And then you can also change the sounds. These are the 1.9 1.10 sounds, and this plugin only works on 1.9 1.10, by the way. I forgot to mention that earlier, but only 1.9 and 1.10 does not work on 1.8. So then you see right here, here are the warps that we have set. We set PvP warp, and then this is the home base that I've set, and then spawn. So say you want to change the icon, so I'm going to change this to diamond sword actually. So because it wasn't in the icon, so I'm going to change it to diamond sword, and then so I think a cool suggestion for the homes would also bring up the icon that we had for the warps. I think that would be a nice little cool feature to have. Now that pretty much wraps it up. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out.